Go.
Hi, my name is Mercedes Herman, your neighborhood hypnotist. Have you ever been in a situation where everything has gone totally crazy? You know those codes. All of a sudden a code is called. Everybody's having all types of confusion. They're running around. It's like looking at the Wizard of Oz, seeing Dorothy looking in this tornado and watching the cows going all around. And your goal is to see, how can I get to that code card? You say to yourself, I wish I had some eyes behind my head, or I could see on the side to find out what's going on, because you're probably the person that has to coordinate this code, getting that code card. So today I want to teach you how you can be able to do that, how you can be able to just have some eyes in the back of your head and on the side. You're saying, how can you do that? But let me show you how. What I like you to do, and this is what's called expanded awareness. What I'd like you to do is that I'm going to show you. I want you to look at a single place, maybe that hole in the wall, or your timesheet, and say, you look at it. And I want you now then to take your two fingers here. And as you take your two fingers, I want you to slowly move them away, but continue to focus on that timesheet. And as you're focusing, notice how you're able to see the sides of those fingers. Notice now, as you start to notice that they're wiggling, and you can see them, and you have a sense of, as you're focusing on that timesheet, and as you're focusing, you're also noticing that you can see the sides. Now, I'm going to bring them back again, and we're going to try that again. And as you're doing that, you're starting to focus on that timesheet. Now imagine if it was the code card. You can now focus on the code card. You can see the aide behind you on the side as you get ready to tell them, go get that code card. And as you get the code card and it gets brought to you, you're able to focus on all the things that are going around. And notice how calm you are about it. And that you're able. It's just like when Dorothy started to notice that the cow's going around, and now she knows when to go in so she doesn't get hit with the cow. Now you know when to go in and get that code card. So, would you like to learn more about that? I'd like you to try it. I want you to now, again, focus on something. Focus on something on the wall. And I want you to look and to start to do, as I had before, with your hands. Going side until you get out of your expanding that awareness. Being able to see the side. And knowing that you're not going to get hit with any cow or anything like that, because you know exactly what you just focused on. Try it again. Let's focus on something and then just go on the side. The side. There you go. Now as you practice that, and you'll continue to practice that, you'll start to notice that you'll start to look at any situation and be able to focus on something and start to develop that skill. I can teach you that skill. Stay tuned for more.